Oh no, it's last night.
But they started selling fast passes for we can go back, right?
Hello, I'm Dr. Marsh, director of the Dino Institute, and I hope you enjoyed those quaint exhibitions of science and technology. The Dino Institute has created the Time Rover, an amazing vehicle that will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaurs. How? That's clever. But in a moment, you'll be going live to our control center for a comprehensive safety briefing, and then it's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself.
I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period. It stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you.
And not just any dinosaur.
Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures.
I tagged him with a locator during an unauthorized field trip. Otherwise, I'd be traveling with you.
Inside the Time Rover, and please watch children.
Atención, guarden todos.
Commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before the asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino. Little one.
Polyramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now! Hang on! I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identified.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Computer. Slow and identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Warning, meteor
That was close. Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it. Abort mission. Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does.